Why I train this way? Honestly, I train abs and core not to have a good looking six-pack, but for the strength of it. A strong core is the foundation of almost every movement, from lifting weights to walking to simply standing with good posture. It supports your spine, protects you from injuries, and helps you move with balance and control. It's not about aesthetics. It's about feeling powerful in your body from inside out. So train your core, not just to look good, but to feel good, to move well, and to live strong.